Hello consumers, good day. Today let us learn how to draft a consumer complaint. Generally all the consumers face difficulty in drafting the complaint. So they go to a lawyer or to a consumer organization to help them in drafting the complaint. In fact, the Consumer Protection Act, or for that matter the consumer commissions, do not insist for any kind of legal terminology, unlike in civil courts. Here the complaint can be just like a letter, but the court must understand what exactly is the dispute, what the consumer purchased, whether he is approaching the court for defective goods or deficiency in service. All these things, unless is furnished in the complaint, the court cannot understand what for that particular complaint is filed before it. This is for this reason we will have to understand what should be the contents of a consumer complaint. Okay. First, the complainant should furnish his full name, age and full address, and then he has to give the full name of the opposite party against whom this complaint is filed, or he wants to file the complaint. And the businessman or opposite party's address should also be furnished, because when court notice is sent, it should reach him. So parties to the dispute should be mentioned in the complaint. At times some consumers make the manufacturer a party, the seller another party. So 2 or 3 or 4 people can be shown in the complaint. In such a case, all the 4 names with their addresses should be written in the complaint. Generally, the complaints are addressed to the President of the Consumer Commission. That way, the complaint should be addressed to the President of the District Consumer Commission, the name of the district. And next comes, more importantly, the details of the goods purchased or the services hired. Now, state as to how the defect arisen or unfair trade practices are observed. What you consider as unfair trade practices and how you experienced in this particular transaction, or what are the defects in the goods or deficiencies in the service. That is to be described. Then only the Consumer Commission would understand what for you are approaching them. Suppose if the goods which you have purchased are not to your satisfaction, then you can request the consumer court to give an order to the opposite party to take back the goods and return the price paid. In such a case, you will have to claim the price with interest. But a small caution, some people put fancy interest, 20%, 24% like that. Generally, the consumer organizations are giving interest at the rate of savings account, or at times depending on the situation or depending on the fraud taken place, they might increase slightly the interest. Otherwise, you will have to put the interest at a normal level, not a penal interest. In addition to asking for the refund of the price paid, the consumer can also claim compensation for the harassment, for the suffering, for the loss of time, for agony, that also to be mentioned as a relief in the complaint. Please don't forget that you will have to pay fees along with the complaint. Up to 5 lakhs value, there is no fees. Beyond that, only some nominal fee is there. So, if the complaint is below 5 lakhs, no fees. But above 5 lakhs, you will have to pay appropriate fee. Along with the complaint, the consumer should also file an affidavit. This is more important. This is a legal requirement, where you are swearing that the facts mentioned in the complaint are true to your knowledge. That affidavit is a must. Basing on that only, they start adjudicating. Similar affidavit will be filed by the opposite party also. They are the two most important things for adjudicating the dispute. How many copies of the complaints are to be filed is another doubt to the consumers. In Consumer Commission, there are 3 adjudicators, president and 2 members. So, you will have to make 3 copies to the court and additional copies depending on the number of opposite parties you have shown in the complaint. If you are going against 3 parties, additional 3 copies of the complaint should be filed. So, totally 3 for court and 3 for opposite parties, 6 copies are to be filed before the Consumer Commission if there are 3 opposite parties you have shown in the consumer complaint. It can either be handwritten or typed. It's always better to type the complaint than handwritten, because at times handwritten complaints cannot be clearly read. They become illegible at times. So, to be on safer side, it is always better to type them out. With these few important factors that you should remember, you can yourself draft a complaint. Absolutely, there is no need for you to engage either a lawyer or depend on somebody. And it is not necessary that you will have to write the complaint only in English. You can also write the complaint in the local language. But you must remember, in whatever language you are writing, what you should remember is whatever contents just now I explained to you, all should be informed through that complaint. Thank you.
ఈ కార్యక్రమం మీకు ఎంతో నచ్చింది కదా? ఇటువంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోల కోసం డాక్టర్ సమరం మల్టీ ఛానల్ నెట్వర్క్ సమర్పించు గోరా వినియోగి ఛానల్కు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే ప్రక్కనున్న గంట సింబల్ని ప్రెస్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Please download Samaram multi-channel app and watch your favorite channels from your mobile. App available on Google Play Store and subscribe to the channels.